In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Figma team. Start by opening Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app. And make sure you are signed in to the account you want to use. Once you are in, look to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down past your existing projects until you see the option labeled Create New Team with a plus icon. This is your starting point for building a shared workspace. Click that button to begin. You'll be prompted to name your team. Choose a name that clearly reflects what this team is, for something like your company or product name, or a specific initiative, so that it's easy to recognize later. Keep it simple and consistent with any naming conventions you already use. Once you've typed the name, click Create Team. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can rename it as your needs evolve. Next, you can add collaborators. If you are ready to bring people in right away, enter their email addresses to send invitations so they can access the team. This is great when you want feedback or co-creation from day one. If you are not ready to invite anyone yet, click Skip for now. You can always add collaborators later from the team settings when you've finalized your structure. After that, you'll choose a plan. Figma offers a free starter plan, which includes one project and up to 3 files, perfect for trying things out or managing a small, focused effort. If you know you'll need more flexibility, consider upgrading to a professional or organization plan. Those options are designed for larger teams and more complex workflows, and they unlock more projects, more files, and advanced collaboration and admin tools. Pick the plan that best matches your current needs. You can upgrade as your team grows. And that's it. Thanks for watching.